But we haven't yet set up a return policy, a shipping policy, and some of our other policies. Because this is here by default, we do want to review that, and we want to set up the other policies I mentioned so that we can display them all in the footer. To do that, let's make sure if you have any unsaved changes, go ahead and save them. Then we're going to head back to our dashboard in this tab. Let's go down to our settings. And at the bottom here, you can see policies. And the written policies are all listed out here, so we can go one by one. I'll click on the return and refund policy. Many of these policies are going to include a template, so that's often a great place to start, but you want to review and make changes wherever you need. I'll click publish for now. The privacy policy is the one that's automated by default, so I'll cancel that. For terms of service, I'm going to insert the template and publish that one. If you open your shipping policy, there is no template, so you'll need to enter your details. Depending on how and where you're shipping, this one could be a little bit more complicated, so spend the appropriate time here before publishing that policy. And then finally, your contact information is required. So if we open that and we click Insert Template, Shopify will provide you a skeleton of what you should fill out here. And you can click Publish once you've done so. These all save automatically, so let's go back to our editor, and I'm going to give this a refresh. I'll scroll down to our footer, and we can see all of our new links here. One thing that we can't do with the Dawn theme is center these policy links. As they are now, you can see that these links are aligned to the left. So if you really want to center these links, let me show you a quick workaround that I use. Let's disable the policy links for now, and click Save up in the top right. Then what we want to do is make a menu, add our policy links to the menu, and then add that menu to the footer. To do so, let's head back over to the dashboard. I'm going to close out of this policies section. Back on the left, we want to find content and menus. Then we can come over and click footer menu. And by default in this menu, we have search and your privacy choices. I'm going to use the trash icon and delete both of those. Next, what you want to do is click add menu item. And if you come over to link, here we can start to add our policies. So I'll add the refund policy first, and then I'll add another link, policies, privacy policy, and then I'm going to continue until we have all of our policies added. Once you have them all added, come down and click Save. Our menu has been updated, and we can come back to the editor. Now let's go back to our footer, and in the footer we want to add a block, and we want to add menu. You can see this is the preview of what we're going to get. Let's click menu, and now we have all of our links shown. Now I want to delete this heading, so just click the menu, come over to the heading section, and remove the quick links text.